Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. My last one, yeah, I do not like the way it turned out. So we're going to paint over this, and I'll be right back. Hangy-ho. Alright, we've got the base on. I'm just using the Artist Loft, there we go, black flow acrylics. So there's nothing special to it. And we're just going to start dabbing some stuff onto here, and whoopsie doo-doo-doo. Yeah, you'll be on there soon enough. Let's start with some Neon Violet by Artist Loft. And when I link this down below in the description, I will link it with the set that it comes with. So you can at least try it out and see what you think. It's a very nice purple, or, well, a purple, yeah. Alright, and let's next go with there's Princess, some Artist Loft turquoise, and I just mixed this up yesterday. Apple Barrel, Tucson Red, Tucson Red, I don't know which it is anymore. Let's put some of that in there, see what happens. And I'm going to go with some, what the heck, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Peridot. Very pretty green. And I believe I want some white on here. Oh my goodness. Word of white, word of white. Nope, that's not white. Just hang on a moment. No, we're not going to use that. Where is my Amsterdam White? Anybody see it? Anyone see it? I think I do. Yes, there we go. The Amsterdam White. Oh, sorry about that. Now let's mix this up a bit. It came out just kind of flow-a-trolley. Actually, no color at all. Flow-a-troll's white like a glue. Okay. Alright, just a little bit here. Just a wee bit. Look at those bubbles on there. And you know, we got to put some of the Apple Barrel Bright Blue on here. And that was ready to be, yeah, it was ready to come out. We're going to use a blower. Oh, I know, I know. I'm taking my chances here today. And we're just going to see what we can do. Here goes the chair. All right. And you got to think in your ears. Take it out. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. We didn't put any champagne on there, did we? No, we did not. Well, let's just try it without. Okay. Don't think so. Yeah, that's not much thrilling, is it, guys? Dang it. Crapazoidal. What all fell? I don't know. We will look afterwards. Let's hit it with the torch and see what happens if anything pops up. Yeah, not looking too promising, is it, guys? This might be one of those, I don't know, the Amsterdam White seems to be making an appearance, but yeah. So, anywho, guys, you want to go down for a close-up? We can do that. You got your helmets and seatbelts on? Okay, here we go. Maybe it will look better through the camera. I do like that red. Ooh, look at the shimmery. Okay. Alrighty. Maybe I did put the champagne there. Heck, I don't know, but there's definitely some shimmer. As a person who does this, sometimes you just lose track of what you've put in there. You know, it just kind of, yeah, you just gotta lose your brain a little bit. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday. And we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pours Plus, where hopefully you're going to see something a heck of a lot better than this, guys. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.